Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. So I am Kevin from the section IA, BTL Lit IA 2A. So in this video, sir, I am going to teach you on how you're going to use Kahoot application in your teaching. So we all know that Kahoot application is an application that is very useful for teachers to be that um, need to collab with their students. So Kahoot application improves collaboration with the students, get the attention of the students or the interaction within their students. So first, in order for us to get the application Kahoot, we need to search it first in the Chrome website. So in the Chrome, you need to search kahoot.com, kahoot.com. Okay. So here, this will come out when you're going to search code.com in the Chrome application. And then now, since I am a first user, I need to click the create Kahoot. So, so this will come out now when you're going to create get Kahoot. And now, for the Kahoot application, you can create any types of quizzes or games that you want to do with your students, no? So here, since I want true or false, I will choose true or false. So you can type any questions that you want to answer with your students. So example, I am going to ask my students, is ICT useful in teaching? So what do you think will be the answer? Is it true? If your answer is true, then you can select true. If your answer is false, you can also select false. So since the answer is correct, we all know that ICT is very useful in teaching in our everyday lives. So in order for us to make our life faster, no hassle, so we use ICT. So it is true. It is very useful. So here, so next. So you can select also how much time do you need to give or do you need to answer with your students since you have a short time, you need to give only 5 seconds for your students. So for the standard points, the points that you want to give with your students, for the standard, it is equivalent into 1 point. And now, for the second question, you just need to click also the true or false. So since my Kahoot application is not in premium mode, when we say premium mode, you can select any type of game or quizzes or the um creation of any quizzes is not available because I did not pay for premium mode. So for as you can see in the screen, the only available quiz or game that in the screen I showed you is the quiz and the true or false. So for the quiz, let's select this one. So let me think a question first. Who is the inventor of computer? Since we talk about ICT, so let's choose this question. For the answer one, you can easily input here who is the inventor of computer. So among of the four blanks, you can put only one correct answer, and those three um, available boxes are wrong answer. So let us put here um, Lev Vygotsky. The first quizzes by Vygotsky. Second is the Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. Is it Albert Einstein? For the question three, or si Kevin Bacon? Or, so the correct answer is Albert Collins. So here. So since the correct answer is Albert Collins, so let me check the Albert Collins. Okay, now, since I am finished with the true or false and quiz question, now let us theme also time limit, which is 5 seconds, and for the standard points, this 1 point. And now, for in order for you to check if your work is um on work, let me click preview. Okay. So the first question. So who is the inventor of the computer? So the answer is Albert Cullen. So there are 30 answers, and
I hope that you learned something in this presentation that will help you in your future teaching that enhance collaboration and interaction between teacher and students. Thank you and God bless everyone.